Hey there, how's it going? It's your boy Arbix coming at you. In this video, I'll be showing you 7 tips and tricks on how to build Lego houses. The first tip is to build a blueprint of your house before you actually start putting up the walls. Using this method will make it easier to build the houses in the future steps. Next, use normal colors. I mean, you can build however you like, but if you're going for more of a realistic look, you would need to use natural tones. For example, bright colors are good for like a Legoland MOC or something, but these colors are the most perfect tones for building houses. Going along with the last tip, it is to divide your colors. By that I mean on top of your first layer, add a slight 1 by layer of plates. And top it off with the rest of the wall. The next trick is to use windows. Windows allow the house to receive more natural light, and a house without windows just looks odd. This tip involves realistic details. For example, in my little house, I put a realistic kitchen with top cabinets, refrigerator, a very clever plant design, and some more details. So just add interior details to your build. Next, grab tiles and tile off the interior of the build. By doing this, it will give off a hardwood laminate look. And the final tip for today, it is to add details to the exterior of your house, like window shutters, flower beds, and my favorite, sky roofs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.